about the big one. Is she bringing that all the way in?
I don't know.
Dang.
She's got something. She's bumping.
That is terrible.
I filled this jerk like 5 times.
Uncle Michael's helping him fish.
Someone's definitely
Try to keep this steady. Oh man. Okay, watch his fingers.
Hey, what's so funny?
Evan, what you doing, bud?
Dad, watch your vision.
Sorry, I'm thinking about Chuck Norris jokes.
Yeah.
Why doesn't Chuck Norris fish?
Why? Man.
Because he kickboxes them out of the water. I don't know.
I didn't get anything.
Chuck Norris is tears. Cure cancer. Chuck Norris is never crying.
You know, some people wear Superman pajamas when they go to sleep, but Superman wears Chuck Norris pajamas when he goes to sleep.
Yours
All right.
can eat just one lid. I don't get that.
Joe, you got a big fish on there or what?
Yeah. It's jerking hard. Mine was jerking.
Is it just nibbling?
Yeah. It's biting.
I think it's about, I'd say it's about 210 pounds.
It's not small one.
Well, let's see if he nibbles again.
Wow. That was the exact same thing with this. It was a big one too. It was like a big jerk.
Really? Big jerk?
Yeah. You probably have the same thing as me. Uncle Mike. Did it again.
He did it again?
He did it.
Is your bait still there?
Strip your face.
Feel it. Every time. I can feel it.
It's going on YouTube.
What? So funny. You're fine. Nice.
Watch out here. Yeah, watch your back. You don't want an earring.
Whoa, what was that just came up there? All right, Catherine, focus on that
You
line,
think they're
honey.
over there catching, playing badminton on the angler?
Huh. You got something, sweetie?
Maybe.
I don't know. It looked like it moved a little bit.
Yeah.
Like that.
I'm getting so
All right, wait, stop. Feel it again. Just be patient. See if it bites. There's nothing on there. It did a little nibble. Take the rod off the railing, honey, so you can feel it. All right, Uncle Michael's helping Catherine. Did you feel anything, Catherine? Lift it off the railing. There you go.
Yeah, jerking it back.
Is it nibbling?
That was Uncle Michael.
Oh, Drew's got the big one. Pardon me. Anything? Wait, settle down, settle down. Man, he's just toying with you.
Making fun of me.
He is making fun of you.
I'll make fun of you when you're at dinner.
Yeah, when you're sitting on my plate tonight. He's got a Chuck Norris fish down there.
Ask Kristen about it.
Drew, what happened?
I got Frank.
You got another
Oh, yeah?
blowfish, Devin. Go look. You got another
I
blowfish.
got Frank.
Do it in slow motion, Uncle Michael.
Hurry up, Devin. Like this. Someone get another